An animal has been found with a split mouth and deformed body. If you see any animal that is similar to these descriptions, run and call 911. You do not have much time.
Hello? If anybody's hearing this, there's a person that looks exactly like me with this weird brown cat. Doesn't have any ears. It's got a split face. Really, really long legs. And its claws. I can't even talk about his claws. It's just really frightening. But if you're hearing this, I may be dead. And if I am, call authorities and tell them that I'm in.